Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota RAV4 2015 maintenance light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, set the odometer to trip A, then use the trip meter reset button sequence to clear the maintenance light while watching the display for confirmation. Follow each step calmly, and repeat if the light does not clear the first time. This method works for most basic service reminders. Start with the key in the ignition and switch to on without starting the engine, then confirm the display shows trip A. Press and hold the trip meter reset button. After several seconds, you will see dashes or a countdown, and the maintenance light should blink or change to a reset message. Release the button when the display indicates completion, then turn off the ignition and restart to verify the light is cleared. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make carrying coffee or soup to the driveway much less risky, and they seal tightly when you climb under a bumper or pop a hood. I use them for nuts, bolts, and lunch during long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light does not clear, first make sure trip A is selected on the odometer display and try the reset sequence again. Sometimes repeating the button hold 2 or 3 times helps. If the light still stays on, there may be a stored fault code or required maintenance. At that point, scan for codes or consult a technician so you do not ignore a real issue with the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.